Okay, next slide. We're gonna skip this section right now, and we're gonna go to this section right here. Which way does the parabola open? Some parabolas open up, some parabolas open down, like we just discussed in the last video. So how do you tell which way they open from the equation? You look at the very first number in your equation. See this a right here? The value of a. If a is positive, if a is a positive number, then it will open up. You'll get something that looks like this. Okay, you'll get an open up parabola. If a is negative, that negative sign with the a flips it, and it opens down. And you'll have a maximum, like we discussed before. It's a maximum. It opens down when a is negative. It's a minimum. It opens up when a is positive. So that's how you tell. You look at the equation. If a is positive or negative, you'll know if it opens up or down. So these two examples should be pretty simple. However, you just got to be careful because they're not in standard form yet. Like this one, you have to add 1/3 x squared first over here. So you always want to get y by itself. So y equals 1/3 x squared plus x minus 3. So now look at this value right here. This first number, is it positive or negative? Well, that's positive, right? So a is positive, so it opens up. This one is out of order. It's not in standard form yet. You have to rewrite it in standard form. The x squared term always comes first. See that? That should be written first. So negative 3x squared should come first. The 5x should come second. Now look at this first number here. Is it positive or negative? Well, that is negative. If a is negative, it opens down. Okay? We just went over this section here. The highest or lowest point on the parabola is called the vertex. Right? Here's your vertex on that one. It's a minimum. Here's your vertex on this one. It's a maximum because it's at the top. This one's at the bottom, so it's a min. Examples 3, A and B, find the vertex of each parabola. So basically, what are the coordinates at this point right here? That point looks like, what, -3, 2. -3, 2. Now, when it says the minimum is, you basically rewrite the y value. The y value is 2. If it asks you what the minimum or maximum value is, you rewrite the y value. Okay, that's what this thing says right up here. When a question asks for the minimum or maximum value, the answer should be the y value. So this vertex is what, 2, 5? And this is a max, right? Because it's at the top. So this is actually a typo. This should say maximum is 5. You're just rewriting the y value. It wants to know what the y value is there. Okay, we'll do one more video and then we'll wrap up this lesson.